Hawarak.
Kira? Kira na? Kira?
Okay.
Ay. So that is the 10 repetition to the target with 10 ammunition. So this is the result of my kanang
Go.
this is the 10 result of my shooting skills. So though I am not good, but I hit 4 for the bullseye 4 times. So now I will count it. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this 3 is not
Included.
It's not included her in the target. So that would be all. Thank you.